Hello everyone. So today's idiom of the day is to get a kick out of. Now I'm not going to tell you what get a kick out of means. Okay, I'm going to let you try to figure out what it means from my examples. So first of all, I do not get a kick out of doing dishes.
I do, however, get a kick out of funny animals.
I also get a kick out of the Packers losing.
With the crowd roaring on 3rd and 7, Rodgers pressured, spun around, loses the ball.
Sometimes, and it depends on my mood, I get a kick out of old movies.
That I get a kick out of you.
I definitely get a kick out of sports bloopers. I do not get a kick out of cleaning the bathroom. I also get a kick out of traveling to new places. I also get a kick out of learning languages and speaking them with a terrible accent. Gogo! Sadmiricha! Khachapuriminda! I do not, however, get a kick out of Pork Chop, my dog, coming into my man cave and doing this. So to get a kick out of is to get a sense of joy or excitement out of something. So what I need you to do is write 5 sentences of things that you get a kick out of.